I just got back in from a nice little hike. It's amazing. Alright, let me change out of these clothes. It's very hot in here. Alright, there we go. Feels a lot better in here. Alright, so how would you like to become the greatest guitarist ever? Theme song. What's up, guys? My name's Evan DiDio. You're watching the Evan DiDio Show, and today we're talking about how to become the greatest guitarist ever. I'm sure the title really intrigued you, and let's click on this video. I want to learn how to become the greatest guitarist ever. Now, stick with me through the entire video. I have lots of things I want to share with you, so very important. In fact, this video really applies to most musicians, most musical instruments. Even if you don't play the guitar, I think this video really does apply to you, even though you're a violinist or a pianist or some other instrumentalist. I think this video really applies to you. So keep watching. Oh, and if you like this video, please smash the subscribe button and then ding the little bell. Ding. Ding. I keep saying that for some reason. I said it in the vlog too. Ding the little bell. Ring the little bell so you get notified whenever I put out new videos. And even then, sometimes YouTube decides not to notify you for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I'm sure they'll fix it in the future. YouTube's pretty cool about that kind of stuff. So make sure you ding the little bell. And then also smash the like button to this video as well if you enjoy the content. And if you have any questions by the end of this video, please put them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get to them. But let's go ahead and jump into the content. So if you're a guitarist, I'm sure you've heard of the names Eric Clapton, Jimi Hendrix, Jimmy Page, and there are many others that I'm sure you know about or that you've heard about or listened to all the time on the radio. Now, why are these guitarists well known? Well, I mean, they're all amazing. They've been known for their awesome playing skills, but there are things like, even if you think of Van Halen, how he was able to create different things, different sounds from the guitar, there are different things we have never heard of before. There are different styles of music, different sounds you can make that we've never heard before, and it might sound kind of weird, but I really love music. I love playing guitar, and I love bringing great videos to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. So this video is about how to become the greatest guitarist ever. So now let's find out how we can become the greatest guitarist ever. Now, I am going to give you 3 words. I'm going to say 3 words, okay? And these 3 words are the most important words that you will ever hear in your entire life. If you have ever wanted to become a guitarist, if you've ever wanted to become a musician in general, these 3 words, simple as they may sound, are the things that will excel you to greatness. You thought Van Halen was a great guitarist. You thought Jimi Hendrix was a great guitarist. You thought Eric Clapton was a great guitarist. Wait till you hear these 3 words. Are you ready? I feel like I should build the suspense a little bit more. Let's see. Play some awesome music, like. Yeah, that sounds cool. All right. 3 words. Let me move it over a little bit so I can put them up on the screen right here. 3 simple words. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them. There are 3 simple words. We have the awesome music playing. These, I think I've said it before, these 3 words are the key to becoming a good musician. Now, they are not just the key to becoming a good musician, but the key to becoming the greatest musician, that has ever lived. These 3 words. Are you ready to hear them? Now you might be thinking, well, why is he telling us? Why isn't he putting them to practice and becoming the greatest guitarist ever? I'm working on it. But these 3 words aren't the easiest to carry out. They're 3 actions. They're not the easiest to do. And a lot of people, this is the make or break moment for guitarists and for musicians alike. This is it. This is what will define you as a musician, as a guitarist, as a vocalist, no matter what it might be. These 3, I feel like I should just go ahead and tell you. Are you ready? Can we get a good countdown going? I want a cool countdown. Let's see, like, we already have awesome music playing. Let's see, what can I do? I have an idea. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Practice, practice, practice. Those are the 3 words. Those are the key words that will make you the greatest guitarist or greatest musician or greatest vocalist in the entire world. Bam, bam, bam. You know what, Evan? Throw those 3 words up again. Bam, bam, bam. Do it again, just for fun. Bam, bam, bam. Practice, practice, practice. Now, especially if you haven't even started yet, this is the most important tip you can ever get. In fact, the night before I started taking guitar lessons, it was a Sunday night, a friend of mine at church who is an awesome musician. In fact, he's got a YouTube channel. His name's Gabriel Bello. I'll link up his YouTube channel right here, right in the card right there. He gave me this advice, and it wasn't just practice, practice, practice. It wasn't just like that. The advice that he gave me was this. Now watch this. When in your room or wherever you might be practicing, practice as if you are on stage in front of people. Make it sound as good as you possibly can, as if you were standing in front of a crowd of people. And that is how you can become a good guitarist. So I took that advice and put it to use. I practice at least 30 minutes every single day, and that is really the best thing you can do, especially for beginners. And if you want to get really good, you should probably do more than 30 minutes a day, or do a couple hours every week. Even if you miss a day, make up for the time the next day. And even if you don't have a lot of time to do like 30 minutes in a day, just pick up your guitar and play something. It will help you so much in the long run, and you'll be able to learn anything. If you practice like this, you can literally do anything. Now, don't think Van Halen just got to where he's at by just fiddling around on it on a Tuesday, and then maybe a little bit on Friday, and then go to his lesson on Monday. No, he would spend hours. He still does, spending hours. Eric Clapton still spends hours. Because, listen, if you want to get good at something, and if you really enjoy doing something, you need to learn to invest more time in it. Now watch this. The more time you invest into it, then the more valuable it is to you, and then the more passion your audience will see while you're on stage. I think that is how you can become the greatest guitarist ever. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash the subscribe button and then also ding the little bell so you can get notified whenever I put out new videos. I am putting out videos every single Tuesday at 9 in the morning. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, ding the little bell. Yeah, ding. Nah. Okay. I'll keep saying it, yeah. In case you haven't noticed, I had some coffee today. It was really good, but I think it's all up here right now. Oh, and by the way, if you are a beginner, I have a whole playlist of different chords that all beginners should learn at first. And also, I just put out a video last week about the best practicing techniques, you know, especially if you watch this video and you want to know how to practice. I put out a video last week on the best practicing techniques you can do to get good at the guitar, so I'll link that in the playlist right there. Ding, 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 ding. So there's a box right here for that video at the top right here, and then there's also a subscribe button right here, so you can go ahead and hit that, and then right here is my latest video, so make sure you check that out as well. I'm putting out new videos every single Tuesday at 9 in the morning. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.